Welcome back to another reading. It's a simple oracle card reading. I'm going to pick some cards and I'm going to read them. And the information that comes out is for you, or you can make use of it. Just set your intention on what's going on in your life, what area or topic you've got most focused on lately. Set that intention and then listen to the reading and receive the reading through the eyes of your intention. When you make it personal, the reading becomes personal. We can simply do that by setting an intention, by noticing what we've been going through lately, what's most important to us lately, and then the information will come through and it will speak towards those things. Every reading is personal on my channel and really everywhere. So let's get started. The first card for you is called Breakthrough, right? So we're having the breakthrough right away as we go and we look to the star, to the sun. What's that breakthrough? The breakthrough is knowing she's in her purple crown chakra dress because she's wise. The purple is crown wise. She's wise when she goes into her light blue throat chakra. That's communication, words. She's wise when she uses her words to describe the light, the sunlight. It's white, it's not yellow, because it's pure white light. As we go to the light and we describe the light as a real thing, as we describe God's source universe as a white light entering into the world, we have this breakthrough of the light coming into a human being's personal circumstances. Breakthrough. It's breaking through into the world, and we have a breakthrough of understanding, an expansion of understanding on what to do in our personal life when we go up to the star, to the light. So, the first message is, I soar into limitless love, light, and joy. And really that is, I soar up to acknowledge that the white light is the one power. I speak about it, I tell others about that in different ways. And when I acknowledge it, when I say, hey, one white light, thank you for being real. I use my words, hey, one white light, I'm grateful that you've made a breakthrough in me to come into the world like a bridge. We are like little bridges for the light to shine through. Then it does stuff in the world through our actions, our words, our behaviors. See, the white light doesn't have arms and legs. It just has rays of white light. It's non-material. It's spiritual. And the white light needs a body, a willing body, to look towards it, to talk about it, so it can break through to this realm, this world of us. It wants to come into your personal life and mix around your third eye space, your consciousness, your imagination, your inner voice. It wants to come into the world and mix into your inner world. It wants to unite with what you've done in the past, with your past experiences and past thoughts and beliefs. And the two of those want to come together, the white light and your words, to have a breakthrough of something new that you can take an action on in the world. And only you can do this special relationship with the light. And we're all perfectly built to do this. So there's no reason to stay stuck in what you currently are believing and living. Instead, you can go up. You can have your breakthrough by going up to the starlight, making your wish on your spiritual body. She's on her spiritual petal. The green heart chakra is the spiritual entity that we are. She's got no clothes on because she has dropped herself. She says, I'm going to let myself go. I'm going to let go of everything I knew up to this point in time, and I'm going to allow something brand new to bubble up. I'm going to wish upon a star. I'm going to let the new stuff flow. I want the light to make a breakthrough from me down into the world. See it growing down her. On that Jack and the Beanstalk stem, it climbs down into the world. It comes down into the world. It comes down into the world through you. And you can see it right here with this one purple diamond, because that's her purple dress. Boom, boom, wish upon a star. Where are we going to go? Somewhere new, only you're going to take us there. It's intensely personal. You have a personal relationship with the light. And it's going to give you ideas that are inspired, that are based on your own past knowings. Yeah, This is so goody good because it shows how valuable and special and unique you are to the world. Yeah, and you are. And not just to the bigger picture of the world, but to the little world of the people that you love, that you're interacting with every day, significant others, family members, people in your community. You're a bridge for the light to break through into the world and carry with it your new ideas, your new actions, your new behaviors, your new way of interacting with people. Every time you are siding with the light, you're going to feel that bigger flow of energy, which is going to lead to so much relaxation and ease and comfort and just surrendering all of that, all of the addictions, surrendering all the addictions of the world. Addiction to mostly, it doesn't have to be alcohol and drugs. It doesn't have to be all these things. It doesn't have to be obsessive compulsive things, but it could be that. But you're going to let go of all that because it's all going to get replaced. That's why she's nude. She let it all go, all the addictions of life. Addictions really to worrying about what other people think or worrying about what will or won't happen. We let it all go. All those things that drive us crazy. Ooh, all those things that keep us up at night or that make us feel like we are being oppressed. Surrendering our addiction to the idea that there is an enemy that's trying to get us and take our stuff. Surrendered the addiction to needing things to stay the same. No. We're gonna go to the flow of the wow shooting star coming through. You can see it right here. Boom, 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 boom. Bye-bye addictions to this world. Addiction to being who we are. Addiction to how I was yesterday or the day before or last year. Addiction to a relationship staying the same. Pining over it. For example, a marriage that has grown out of its honeymoon phase and has moved into its more mature union. And we're going to let go of the addiction to wanting it to be what it was. And instead we can pull little pieces of that early stage. We can make our decision to bring some of those past versions of ourself to the forefront and let them visit the relationship from time to time. But instead we don't have to stay there. We can live up front with who we are today. If you're feeling stuck or indecisive, listen to your intuition. Your intuition and make a decision on how to act, what to do. Listen to, there she is. There's the bottom of the green heart chakra petal. It ends up in this little river of green spiritual light. She's surrendering to what she wants to do, makes a decision on what to wish for on the star, and then embodies it in the world. Let's pull one more card. So we know that we are making friends with the light, that the light really is open for everyone to go to, that it is the most important and really the only relationship that exists, because we're constantly putting out words and actions and behaviors in our personal life, and we're getting all of those inspirations from that one white light relationship, and it's affecting everything we do and say all day long. Oh, we're living in the tree of life, and isn't that what it is? So be the one who understands that your whole life is really an extension growing off of this one white light. And all the little branches will blossom little leaves and little fruits for the world to come and pluck and have a little bit of an experience with, so that their database of their life will change, their experiences will get different, and then the light will work with them in a new way, in a personal way for each one of us. So, bring down the white light, boom, look at you, the bridge between the world and the light. An organic growing system of words, behaviors, emotions, that's you. You're so very special to all of us. Thank you for being a part of this reading. Thank you for being who you are. Thank you for following your passions. Thank you for having your breakthroughs, your epiphanies, and taking your actions in the world. Thank you for going the extra mile, for loving big. And we are going to pull one more card to close this out. Let's find out where it's coming from, the Osho deck. A special little, extra little message for you right here, right now, because you're still here listening to this. You stayed the whole video, and look what you lose. You lose the guilt of life. That's why it's upside down. And what happens when you fall out of guilt? Where do you fall down to? To this beautiful place where the white and green flowers are blossoming. And these are all the little whites, are the little beautiful new growth coming in from your behaviors, your actions, your unity with the light. Thank you so much for being a part of this reading. Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Subscribe to the channel, please. Continue to be a part of the daily readings. Even if you don't watch them every day, you can catch up on them after a few days. Subscribe, hit the bell. That way you get notifications, and then you can choose if you're drawn to watch the reading at that time. Remember, all the readings are timeless, meaning that they're going to be here for you whenever you need them. You can always set an intention and go to any of the videos that you're drawn to, and you will get information that will be spiritually inspired and ready for you at that time. Take care, have fun. I'll see you tomorrow.